Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Highguard online connection error. Your connection to Highguard has been lost. So if you're getting this error or if you're getting any other which is related to connection error, network issue or any other online problem, then here you can follow the fixes to solve this error. Now before following any of the fixes, first check the server status of the Highguard game. So you can go to this Highguard official website and then you can check the community sections. Either you can go to the Twitter website of Highguard, Facebook page of Highguard, and then check if any player are having the issue or not. If you find that the server status is under maintenance, having outage or offline, then you have to wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. Now the fixed one is to restart Steam and restart PC. So simply close Steam. Also open this arrow icon and then right click on Steam and then click on exit Steam and then relaunch the Steam and then again launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC, and after your PC restarts, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to check your internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly and it is stable. You can also switch internet connection. If you're using a Wi-Fi, then you can switch to LAN cable to access internet and then check. You can also switch to mobile data via hotspot and then check. Fix 3 is to Windows security users allow the game exe files to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then click on manage ransomware protection. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder, open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open Highguard folder. Then select this start protected game exe file and then click open. Again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Select Highguard client, click open. Again click on add an allowed app, click on browse all apps. Open Highguard folder, binaries folder, win64 folder. Select Highguard client win64 shipping exe file and then click open. Now go back. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open program files x86, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open Highguard folder. Select start protected game exe file, click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked. Again click on allow another app, click on browse. Select Highguard client exe file, click open, click on add. Now in my case it is already added. Again click on browse, open Highguard folder, open binaries folder, win64 folder. Select Highguard client win64 shipping exe file, click open, then click on add. In my case it is already added. Here it is. And make sure both private and public is ticked marked. Then click on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 4 is to run the game as an administrator. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Highguard and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now double click this Highguard client exe file and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then open Highguard folder, open binaries folder, open win64 folder. Right click on Highguard client win64 shipping exe file and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. If that doesn't work, then untick run this program as an administrator option, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Highguard, select properties, go to the install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to connect to VPN. So you can connect to any VPN online such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Surfshark VPN. So there are many VPN available online. You can download and install any VPN of your choice from the internet and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Fix 7 is to reset your internet connection. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt you have to type some codes. These are the code. Copy it and then paste it and then hit enter. I have provided this code in my video description, so you can copy paste from there and hit enter. These codes are useful to use, as these codes are only to reset your internet connection. That's all. Now after entering all the codes, you have to restart the computer to complete this action. So close this command prompt and then restart your PC. It is a must. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 8 is to change DNS server. So in Windows search type control panel and open it. Then click on view network status and tasks. Then select your connected Wi-Fi, double click it and then click on properties. Then select Internet Protocol version 4 and then click on properties. And then here select use the following DNS server addresses. And in the preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then hit on OK. Now go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Highguard online error, your connection to the Highguard has been lost, or any other network connection error. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.